Order filled. Order filled.
I think it's back. We back. So I had a chance of getting out at fucking even. Unbelievable. Dude. I fucking can't stand problems. Yo, this NVIDIA shit's fucked. What's up? Do you hear me?
Yep, can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right.
My
Sean said
whole
he'd be here in a few minutes.
my whole fucking webcam is fucked.
I'm about to get this moved back up.
Where'd you get in at?
I got in at 301.
Order filled.
I think we're gonna go all the way to the top. Freaking
I'm up another 250.
Order filled.
Jesus Christ, man.
everything that's going wrong is fucking going wrong on my computer right now. So wow, I'm actually green.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm just getting out of this shit.
There it is. Wow, I have a really good win rate with this.
I mean, that's freaking awesome.
Yeah. The reason I'm doing it is because the risk to reward is way better.
Yeah, because you hit one of them.
Wow, look at it go. Dang.
I'm so annoyed, Marie. I'm so annoyed.
Oh, I bet.
What made you get in at 301? Oh, at 301.
There was another fib from the top. Wait, where was it? from. I can't even see where I put it now. I've got like 10 of them on the screen.
Hold that thought for 2 seconds. Let me just
Okay.
pull it. Hold on. Oh, you there?
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know. Where'd you draw it from?
I took it from. Okay, if you go from the low at open up to the high at 411.
The low at
And
open?
yeah, so I took it from 292 to 409, and then it pulled back. It went all the way through, but it went to what I thought was a full move. So when it came back up and crossed above.
Are you looking at my screen? I'm.
Oh,
I think I'm. Am I drawing? I'm.
okay. Why does yours look different than mine?
Here. So where you took it from this bottom at 292?
I took it at the higher low there. See the higher low, the first low? Okay, go down a little more.
Okay, right here.
No, down. The next one over. The next one to the left.
Okay.
When it, I took the fib from there up to the top.
All right, just how I just did it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then when it pulled back through the 786, and then went down and came back up through it, I got in. And took it to the 236. I know.
Yeah.
A little complicated.
I don't even know how you would. Listen, it's awesome that you got it. I'm just trying to see like how you replicate this.
Uh-huh.
The other thing you did, I fully got. You
Right.
know, where you're in the zone, but like this zone created is supposed to be a pullback, like a pullback. You would never draw it this way, actually,
Are
because
you on the 5-minute?
no.
Why does yours look different than mine?
Like you would never draw it backwards how I
No,
did.
you're not. I went all the way back to the low at 813.
Oh, so you went like this.
813 until the high at 932.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Then it pulled back.
Yeah, pull back in that range. The 3.
Yeah, and then it swept all that.
Yep.
And when it came up and crossed the 78, I took it up
Okay. That is more, I guess.
to 236.
Yeah. I get it. I would need to really backtest that.
Yeah. I mean, it was a pullback on that big open range there, that big open move.
Echo big time?
Am I echoing?
I don't
What's
know.
echoing?
Cannot keep me live either. I don't know. I'm live on my other screen. Anybody else having problems?
You don't sound echoey to me.
No, I don't hear an echo either.
All right, helpful.
On 5 micros and then added another. I got,
Wow,
geez.
that's some good money.
What the fuck? Every single time I stream early in the morning,
Mm-hmm.
the stream always fucks up.
I wonder why.
I don't know.
I'll be right back.
Dude, I worked out of that gold fucking trade, but I'll tell you what, I'm gonna get in at 38 to 31.
Back.
Messing around with freaking gold. This NQ looks like it's gonna go, but I hate that it's like right. It's like right below the high a day, but I'll tell you what, if it gets through the high a day,
Mm-hmm.
it's probably gonna go.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'll risk it with a couple micros. If they let it go, it's gonna freaking. You'll probably see 26 or so. Come on, get over 411.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
There you go. That just made back a bunch of losses. Well, that just made back a bunch.
All right.
Yeah. I'm going to be honest with you. I just dropped the fucking ball. I got wicked out twice today.
Uh-huh. I hope gold is moving better tonight.
Yeah. You and me both. I mean, I still made $300. So, like, I can't complain,
Yeah.
but it definitely wasn't,
One after the other, like it was for a while.
yeah.
They killed it. Well, they haven't they like increased the margin like 3 times now, trying to kill it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I noticed even the ones that work, they don't just like slam through your target like they used to.
It's been a lot different. It's definitely been a lot different. Oh, man, I got fucking. Let's see what happens here. I'm just dicking around with this. I think I broke my camera. Yo, what up, Scotsman?
Well,
Up.
I would say that all's working pretty good on NQ.
I'm basically fucking flopping in the wind right now. I'm up in gold. I'm down a very small amount in NQ. I don't really figure like $72 is really not is really nothing. I'm gonna just have to restart my fucking computer at lunch. Marie, nothing ever works right. You know what I'm talking about?
Yep. That would get rid of like a good part of the challenge of trading if everything worked right all the time.
Especially at the open. Especially at the open. Yo, Scotsman, we going all in on copper or what? Copper, my baby. Are you trading my copper yet, Scotsman? Dude. I think that's all Scotsman trades is copper.
I wonder how the fibs work on that.
I don't know. Sometimes it could be like super slow. I remember Sean was trading it with him one night, and Sean was stuck in a trade for like 4.5 hours. You know, like it just.
Oh, crap.
This is before the metals were really moving. But yeah,
I tried it for a while. It was too slow for me.
Yeah, it. I mean, gold always gold moved a lot slower also for a while. All the metals now are just cruising. Oh.
Whoa, NASDAQ something.
Is it?
Yeah.
Holy shit. What was that? Watch them just backfill it. I almost took a freaking couple micros too, just to see a backfill. Somebody just said something. I'm on Financial Juice. Oh, man. Am I not? No, helpful. I'm not. I didn't restart it. I should have. I did not restart it. I was like, I'm going to restart my computer. Just fucking didn't do it. I paid the price. I paid it. You gonna grab this NQ down at like 307?
Yep. 294 is my entry I'm looking at.
290. Oh, you're playing the bottom one only? Why? I'm just curious. Why'd you exit?
I went and looked. The other one's good for a scalp.
Yeah.
But for a big move, that one was way better because it's going to come down there anyway. And the risk to reward was way better. Whereas if you're at the 618, that's like a huge move back to the 100%. And I wanted to be able to put a stop loss under there.
Interesting.
Yeah. So for a scalp, it was great, but for a bigger move, I wanted the bigger number. You could probably put an entrance at the 618 and then another one at the 786.
Oh,
And then you'll get the tight ones and the bigger ones.
I don't like playing the 618.
Yeah.
Yo, what up, Fiber? What's cracking? Yeah, playing on the NQ. I mean, gold looks like it's gonna dump. I already have my orders in on gold waiting for it. I love how I just do something and then all of a sudden I just hear order filled and I'm like, I got hit. It's so crazy. I think something happened with my fucking video card. So I think no matter what I do, I think I gotta update Streamlabs is what I'm gonna have to do. Hey Cove, that rejection. Yeah, I don't play that though. You need the Glow NBS. I don't know. That's the thing you sent me. I haven't opened it. Now I got another thing to fucking do. I gotta restart this computer. What up, Min? What's cracking? Dude, this thing is freaking. This thing's bugging the shit out of me. Yo, how ghetto would this be? Here you go. There you go. That's what it looks like. I'm freaking messing around with the.
You're all fuzzy.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to play around with the. I'm trying to play around. I can't get it to show on Streamlabs is the problem.
Hmm.
No matter what I do. Messing around with everything just to. Basically, Streamlabs ran an error, and then basically that's why it's not working. Marie, those were two crazy trades you hit today, by the way.
Those were crazy trades. Like any one of those could have been a one and done.
Yeah. I probably would never. I wouldn't have taken the me. You know, this is just me personally. The second one I would have taken for a different reason than the reason that you took it, because it kind of went all the way through and then back. But like to me, it broke structure to the upside, and like
Yeah.
you definitely, I think it was definitely a great long. Um, the other one to the downside though was the one I was like, man, that's like, you got it in the cell zone and you held it, and that was to me a solid freaking short you did.
I wonder, if you draw that out for the day, if it's just going to keep retesting those levels all day, like how you have it right now.
Yeah, so I don't ever play the second and third touch. I always play like the first. But it could definitely, I think yesterday did that, where it just kept on pounding the same area.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if this camera thing is going to fucking work. What's weird is the NVIDIA broadcast is up, and I see it's working. So for it to not work on Streamlabs means it's probably a fucking. Dude, I got the right fucking combo. Yo, you guys see me?
I see you.
Woo! Boom, we're back. Holy shit. You see my fucking I got my case of drinks to sit on my freaking end of my desk. I need to restructure this thing. Hold on one second.
Just got another 100 in a funded.
In a fundy?
Uh-huh. That's the first one I've taken in a funded. It went right down to the 236
Would you take it in gold or NQ?
NQ. I can't do anything else in gold, so I'm just in NQ now. So from the top.
Yeah.
That.
Yeah. That one I fully understand. I got shit all on my desk.
Wow. I am getting a really good win rate on this. I shouldn't get too complacent. It might be a unusual winning streak.
I have my freaking coffee on my desk. My freaking. Yo. Oh, you actually see my other screen? That's fucking weird. All right, we're about to. I fixed it for the time being. I don't have all the goodies up. Yeah, I play that. I'm up. I'm back.
All right.
I'm still gonna restart my computer at at lunchtime. It's so weird because now it's like shrink myself a little bit so I'm blocking you the chart. I need a Mac? Dude, then I can't run a lot of my programs. The quants, the ninjas, I don't think you could run them on Apple. Yo, gold. Yo, they restrict us trading gold. And look at gold today. I'm not gonna get into that stuff. I'll be honest with you, the computer I have is actually really good. Nah, TPT is not restricted. I'm trading gold on TPT all day. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I hate DJ Santee, Cove Trader 2 Laura's Revenge. I don't know what that is. What's that mean? I don't know what that means. Dude, if you want gold, TPT, Tradeify, and Lucid are the ones to play with, Scotsman. Lucid isn't going to get rid of it. TPT doesn't change shit ever. And Tradeify also said they're not getting rid of it. My Funded Futures has 2 micros on a 50K. Yeah, TPT is always the best. DJ Santee. What's cracking? I don't even know what he meant. They were gonna restrict it? No, I didn't know. I was just trying to I just wanted to make sure if you had a question. Oh, is that Laura Croft? Right? That's what it is. Laura Croft. CROFT or crap. I think it's Croft. Do you remember when Angelina Jolie played Laura Croft in the movie? I think she did it. Right? No, yeah, she did. Oh, Lara. I'm not up to date on my Tomb Raider, all right? I am sorry. She did look so good in those movies, dude. She was freaking. That was before she went crazy. Remember when her and Billy Bob Thornton had freaking each other's blood around their neck on the thing? Come on, Gold. I still remember Jolene. Yo, Hackers. I remember that movie, man. I've seen that movie I've seen that movie a bunch of times. That other weird guy is in that movie. You're not going for a second short up here, right?
No,
Yeah.
I am not. I'd like it to come down to like 291.
I almost played that long on this bounce, and I just freaking didn't. Hopefully they reinstate gold, considering it's not really moving anymore.
Yeah.
That'd make our day. Even if they let you trade like 3 micros. That's all I really need is 3 micros. Just play freaking cautious.
Mm-hmm.
Stack small gains. Gold looks like it's going to give it up, though. What up, Nate? Same. It's what got me into cybersecurity. Dude, I imagine back then, if you knew anything, you could freaking get into so much stuff because security was like just so lackluster compared to like today. People were just making too much money on it, probably. Let's be real. Have you thought about expanding beating into other things?
I thought about it.
What were you thinking about?
Just random stuff. I don't know. Just random stuff. Nothing I could really nail down.
I was thinking about that the chains with jewelry. You buy the chains on like the rolls.
Uh-huh.
Like that would be good for you, I guess.
Yeah, you can totally do that.
Similar to beating.
There's a lot of people that do that. And it's like super easy. I had a lot of different ideas. I never even got to try out a lot of ideas because I had like enough business doing what I was doing. So
have somebody come in and help you.
Yeah. I was doing a lot of stuff with pearls for a while.
Yeah.
And if you could break into like the wedding stuff.
Oh yeah.
That would be good.
The costume jewelry for wedding is probably pretty big.
Mm-hmm. There's a lot of competition in all of that.
Yeah, I mean, you don't need a lot of sales if you think about it because you already got the beads. It's just.
Mm-hmm.
I knew somebody that did it a while, like ages ago. It was my best friend's ex-wife that left him for another girl.
Did she really?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. They moved to Florida, and all of a sudden, like they were hanging out in this group of people, and he was telling me how great it is, and like,
were they nudists?
No, they would just like hang out, but like they would go out on Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday. Like it was just living the Florida life.
Uh-huh.
And all of a sudden, he was like, called me up one day. He's like, "Bro, I think I got a problem."
Oh no.
I was like, "What?" He's like, Maria's like, fucking, bringing up all this shit, like, from like high school because they've dated since high school. Like that's fucking 25 years ago. He's like, she's bringing up all this stuff just to like create an argument. He's like, it's super weird. And then like, she's out and like, she's like, something's off. I was like, bro, I'm just letting you know. I would probably track that. She's like, oh, I need space. I was like, you should probably track that. So like he started tracking it and then realized like she was lying, kind of like she was like, oh, I went to the park for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
You know, where were you? I went to park for 10 minutes. Why he's like got the find iPhone. She's like, she was there for an hour and a half.
Oh wow.
So like I was like, dude, I'm keeping it honest with you, man. You know, I was like, she's probably cheating on you. And I was like,
Order filled.
I would, if I were you, I would,
Order filled.
if I were you, I would see what's up. And he got a hold of all her freaking text messages and shit. I think she synced it to like an iPad by mistake.
Oh.
And he got all the freaking stuff.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Me and him thought, you know, it was another dude. It wasn't. And then once I found out it was another girl, I was like, dude, you better like think long and hard about if you want to end this or not. I was like, you could be living the life in about a month. I bet she still ended up with half his
Order
shit.
filled.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, she got half of his shit. Yeah.
Order filled.
I felt bad for him too. They've been dating since high school.
Wow. I had some friends that were polyamorous.
Oh yeah. Does that ever work out?
Nope.
Yeah, I don't think it does. Feels like
I
it.
have not known it to work out ever. I've known several. Usually it ends up the first one gets pushed out.
Somebody's getting pushed out. I mean, I think it's just natural that you're going to like one person over the other one.
Mm-hmm.
Unless it's a dude and there's two chicks. I mean, then he's going to, you know, let's be real. I'm trying to cook. Yeah. Note to self, if you move to Florida, don't let your girl out with a bunch of
Yeah.
other girls. And she was kind of bi when she was in New York. So it was there already.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Come on. I hit that for $61 in my Bulenox account.
Is that on gold?
Yeah, it went.
Oh, gold's moving.
You know what's crazy is so the range was so big. Here's my gold. It literally, when we have these big ass ranges, I'm probably only going to play the bottom side, the 786,
Mm-hmm.
because that range was like 10 freaking dollars. But if I would have just kind of bought at the bottom, I would have made so much money on that. Instead, I basically made peanuts because I took in so much water from the upside, from getting in at 37-ish, 36. Well, if I would have just got in at the bottom, I would have got in at like 27, 25, and I'd be up 15 freaking dollars. Yo, bull nuts, baby. Yo, Scotsman. Scotsman's like, bro, I just sit on fucking Tinder now. He's like, Scotsman's like, I know I owe nobody anything at the end of the day, and I just hang out on Tinder. What did I make off this? Like nothing.
It's too bad with the whole financial risk of marriage. That sucks. I've known like so many men who've just been like destroyed by it. It's
Oh,
awful. It's awful.
yeah.
It's not right.
I know. I know. Oh man, I know a guy that like lives by me, and he even had a prenup.
Oh my god.
Dude, this guy got smoked. I mean, he owned a motel. He owned several pieces of land. He owned two houses. Um, and dude, this guy got destroyed. Yeah, I mean, his divorce went on for like 2 or 3 years, and then
my
had to
god.
pay.
And then the lawyers get all the money.
Yeah, had to pay a bunch of legal
That's
fees.
crazy.
Yeah, it's wild. Um, like I get it. Like if you marry and you tell the girl to quit her job, like that's a whole
Yeah.
nother aspect of it. Like,
But it seems to go beyond that. It's just mean spirited, you know?
what about these girls that freaking marry these NBA players to just divorce them after like
Yeah.
2 years, and then they ask for like a crazy amount, like, oh, I need $200,000 a month to live. It's like what?
Yeah.
Crazy. Full porting it long. I kind of like it long.
Order filled. Order filled.
Dude, gold is just dumping. Come on. I don't.
Order
Fucking
filled.
coming back through the. It needs to hold above that. Massive, Steven. What is this? Gold? My next gold spot is 516. Which honestly looks pretty freaking good on the chart. Anybody know if you can just flip on bull nuts for can you flip on bull nuts for trading days? Anybody know off the top of your head? Dude, I should turn it on. Oh, dude. I'll join.
Order filled.
I'll go back in. Go. Fuck it. Good call on that, Scotsman. Wasn't even looking at it. I'm not holding this till fucking new highs, but I have like one more minute in me. Probably another 10 points. How about me? I am definitely not up 650 bucks. I'm up 333 in this account. I'm up 333 in two other gold accounts. I'm up 175 in two different funded my funded future accounts. My Bullnuts account's up 65 bucks, and I'm just working these NQ accounts. I'd like to get this one green again. Oh, man. Push it out.
And Q just kind of died.
Dude, it literally just fucking. Yo, is Lucid down? Yo, I think Lucid's website is down. Dude, Lucid's website is down. I just had to hold gold. Jeez.
That's looking good.
What's up?
The gold is looking good.
Yeah, I wish I held it, though. I didn't hold. I can't get on the website. The freaking Lucid website's down. I get 502 bad gateway. I got both my kids home today. I gotta feed their asses in a little bit. Dude, NQ's just not doing anything. Come on. Yeah, I don't know. I'm getting the 502 bad gateway. I was going to go look. I wanted to see something on an account, but apparently I can't look at it right now. Man, that's fucking brutal. Smash those likes up. It's a sign. I know. I should not be getting a Lucid account right now. Oh no. Oh no. I might still be in. By the way, Funded Futures Network, their accounts constantly uh their accounts constantly fucking, I guess, disengage from what do you call it? What's Ninja Trader.
Their connection just keeps going out.
Their connection goes out all the time. All the time. You'll be in a trade, and then all of a sudden, like, I'm not even paying attention to it, and it'll be like, I'll have a red dot, and a lot of times I'm still in the fucking trade. It's worked out good and bad at the same time. Like, sometimes I'll be like, oh, I wish I held that, and really I'm still fucking holding. And then other times I've lost like $300 because the trade came back. I didn't even realize I was in it, and I was like, what are we doing? I'm not playing a ton of accounts because freaking gold doesn't work everywhere. So I'm trying to build up TPT, get some My Funded Future payouts. I even had these Legends accounts that I was building up on gold, and then they just stopped gold yesterday morning. After I already built up the funded accounts to, yeah, it sucks. Sucks.
I know. I got those 2 gold Apex PAs.
Yeah, and you're in the same boat as me. It's like, what do you do with them? You're gonna have to trade gold. You have to trade. Dude, NQ's not going anywhere. Look at this. Gold's moving. I do think that they enable gold in the next week or so on Apex again. Yeah, NQ, snooze fest. Oh man, come on. I do think gold's gonna come down and get my orders eventually. You're gonna short gold at 60?
All I can short it with is a demo account.
Oh, jeez.
I know. I don't have anything else I can trade it with. Just kind of watching. I did really good with NQ today, though. So that's good.
That's crazy.
That would have been a winner too.
Kid Rock's song is number one in fucking U.S. Apple.
Wow.
People are losing their shit about it. I don't listen to any of his new music though. I haven't. Ooh, NQ gonna. I think it's at like 304 ish. Yeah. 297. Maria, I'm gonna buy and hold.
Okay.
Buying and holding when we get down there.
Let's see.
I almost want to short it down to that range. Thinking. Got a nice little long over there, Maria. He's just going back and forth, back to back. Yeah, I listened to that song the other day. You probably don't listen to Drake back to back. Oh man, it was such a good song. He did like a diss track for I think it's Meek Mills. And it was freaking awesome. $1,300. You got it. Oh, gold. They have other places that you don't that if you take longer than a month to pass, you pay one time.
Really?
I mean, Lucid's like that. Lucid, TPT, Tradeify, My Funded Futures. They're all one time.
Oh yeah. Once you pass.
No, not even once you pass. I think they don't. It's one time fee.
Really?
Yeah. Maybe not Take Profit Trader. I don't know. I'm pretty sure more than half of the ones I just said. Just look at it. It'll say one time fee. Yeah, if you're not passing the accounts in a month, Maria, then you should definitely not. Like I'm passing them or not passing them uh in like a week on Apex. I'll look right now. Let me go to Lucid real fast. Oh, that's right. Lucid's down. Uh I'm looking right now. Marie, you are fucking crazy if you're paying $98 for an account. No, 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 no,
Cancel it.
no. We fucking no. We always talk about this. You never let them rebill. Never ever let them rebill. Once Lucid comes up, I think Lucid is a one-time fee. What's the question? I'm looking for you. This is normally not a problem that I have. If you cancel your subscription only, will Apex cancel my account today? Uh I'm almost positive it goes until the end of the subscription. But I'm just going to be completely honest, Maria. I would not let it rebill at $98. What I would do, I'd play non-farm payroll tomorrow and pass it or not pass it. And you're better off getting if it doesn't pass, better off getting one at $35 and you have all month to pass it. Hold on. I'm digging into all these things. So Tradeify does. So don't do Tradeify. Marie, you hold your evals for longer than a month?
Yeah, sometimes. Not when I have to pay that much, no.
So Lucid is back. I think Lucid's a one-time fee. Yeah, so the Lucid Pros are one-time fee. What up, Van? Yeah, Lucid Pro is a one-time.
What's the one-time fee?
For Lucid Pro,
Uh-huh.
it might, I don't know. It's either somewhere between $60 and $100. I haven't gotten to that far. I'm mid FAQs. Hold on. No, Lucid has Tradeivy. I'm gonna look Lucid Flex. Well, man. This looks like it's just gonna spill over on NQ. I have a box around me, BK. Yo, Scotsman, is TPT one time? Oh, fuck. Yeah, if it's
Sean's here.
he's added. TPT is
Oh.
not. Okay. I didn't think so, but Scotsman wrote TPT. Lucid Pro is. Dude, I'm fucking digging. Oh my god, Lucid's website is like, there's obviously an issue. Obviously, there's a freaking issue here. Yo, none of Lucid, all of Lucid accounts are a one-time fee. We do not have monthly subscriptions for trading accounts.
That's cool.
So you could do a Lucid Flex. The website says you can even get it cheaper, by the way. So you can get a 25K, I think, for $60. And it's one time. And it says 91 on the website, but I'm pretty sure it's $81 with my code. It's less than the website. It's actually 40% off. I'll tell you. But it's
Cool,
one
gotta let
time.
Sean back in.
You're back in, Sean.
There we go.
How much have you passed? It's nothing. There is no activation fee.
Yeah, I thought I heard you say that Lucid Pro had an activation fee, and I was like, wait, what?
No, they don't have any activation fees.
No, they don't even bill you monthly.
Nah, that's what I was looking
You pay
for.
like $60 and then there's no activation fee?
Yeah, for a 25K Flex account. Yep.
Oh, shoot. That's a good deal.
That's a heck of a deal.
And you can trade gold?
You could trade gold on Lucid.
Oh.
You might even get more of a discount being a first-time user. For the
What up,
for the first account, you might get 50% off.
Scotsman, we playing some copper?
Yo, you mean yo? Tell him it's your copper though.
Dude, I'm playing copper right now.
Be like, yo, we playing my copper.
It's my copper. He's gonna be like, you son of a bitch.
Don't fucking play copper.
Don't you fucking do it.
Dude, you're really in copper, bro?
No, I'm not.
Just goes back and forth all day.
I feel like metals have kind of slowed down.
Yeah. But
Except for gold decided to fucking... Oh, it's not even... I thought it was bigger than that, range-wise.
Yeah, I'm gonna just clip that one.
I thought it was bigger than that.
Just clip that at fucking on the stream.
It's gonna be a song. Dude, RIP Futures 420.
Bro, the Lucid video is awesome.
I'm not fucking leaving.
I'm not leaving. Yeah, I would probably say Lucid's your best bet. It's cheap. Being that you're a first-time user, it might give you 50% off. I don't know if it will though. But sometimes they have like for your first account, you get some crazy deal.
Dude, this is crazy. I fucking hopped off to do a meeting thinking like, oh, I'm gonna fucking miss it. I'm gonna miss the moves.
There's no moves.
There's no fucking moves.
No moves.
I come back to this bullshit.
Tomorrow's non-farm payroll, Maria, though. So like you could probably pass or not pass those accounts fast.
I don't know why I don't do that.
I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I'm probably gonna grab 2 Apex accounts and just fucking wing it.
Yeah, I'm definitely playing some NFP.
I mean, it's one of those times that you can just slam and pass or not pass
You're
real
like,
fast.
why did I spend a month doing that?
I don't. I
There's probably no reason.
my evals don't last a month. My evals are through 2 or 3 days max.
Yeah, like what are you doing? Like what are you doing if you keep an eval over a month?
They're trading it for real, like it's real money.
That's that's what I've been doing.
Yeah.
I mean, I trade my
I mean, I've
fucking
learned.
I trade my fundeds the same way. Well, kind of.
If you plug it in on a copy trader though, and just trade your fundeds, and you have those, I mean, you should make $3,000 at the end of the month though.
More than that.
How's your Replicanto doing, Marie?
Replicanto. I have used it. I have not used it.
At some point, you'll
Yeah, at some point
you'll dust
take
it
in.
off. Yeah. That's the only way that you basically scale up.
Yeah.
Damn, YM did have a fucking crazy move.
What up, Teds?
I keep meaning to look at YM in the mornings, but I always fucking forget about it.
Shoot, I completely dropped the ball on fucking. I should have bought. Oh my god. I just missed that on gold. I wasn't paying attention. So stupid. Yeah, Viper. What's up? Did you eat lunch yet? It's lunchtime in a half hour, bud. After lunchtime, you could have it. I got my 2 kids homesick today.
Oh,
Yeah.
that sucks. Sick kids are never fun.
Dude, it's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Dude, NQ just fucking died, and I completely just whiffed on this gold. This gold thing literally right there and bounced. I'll even play this small little guy. Dude. Oh.
Dude,
I wouldn't mind
market is
bull nuts.
dog shit.
Bull nuts is doing 79% off.
That's whack.
Bring back 89, brother. Bring back 91.
I was about to say 91.
I just want to see by I was just looking. I got 4 trading days. Today will be 5 trading days. I need 5 more trading days. to make $400 for another Bull Nuts payout.
Let's go.
True, it just saw like 10 trading days is a long time for freaking. Let's get 1,000.
Bulenox just never changes anything.
Bro, never. I'm in the fucking thing. I'm like, just looking at it. I'm like, oh man, this thing's whack. I need. Yeah. How do the payouts go? Can I get more on the second payout?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. No, the first three payouts. The first three payouts are the same. First three payouts, the most you can get is $1,500. After the third payout, there's no maximum withdrawal.
But don't they push you live?
I don't know. I'll tell you what, I get another 1,000 out of them. I'm gonna then push it so I can do like a third, but like that fourth payout would be fucking, you know, like $5,000 or above.
Hopefully they don't screw you and be like, well, we're not going to pay you out. We're just going to move you live.
Dude, that's so fucked up that I got sent live, bro.
Yeah.
Yo, I will never not be bitter about that. Just an FYI. Ever. I will be fucking bitter about that to the end.
Bro, what's up with the stream setup though, by the way?
You don't like seeing me?
Normally you're blending into the background.
Yeah, Streamlabs rang an error and fucking shut the whole stream off. And I got to restart my computer there's something in this software that like triggered something.
Oh, that sucks.
Oh, you didn't hear this story, Scooby?
Oh.
Or Scotsman? It is story fucking time for everybody. Welcome to the story.
God, fuck y'all for asking.
I'm glad you asked. So, it started off as a sunny day. And I woke up on Monday thinking I had $10,500 of profits over the course of 5 funded accounts.
Order filled. Order filled.
And I was like, oh, cool. I'm going to take a payout on Monday, probably Tuesday. And then I think it was like Thursday and possibly, depending on how things went, Friday. Because I had 5 accounts. One account was at like 55,000, so I could have milked that one for a couple payouts. And then I had 2 at like 51,800, and then the other 2 were at like 52,300. So they were all like right there, right? I was like right there for 6 to possibly 8,000 of payouts that week. And I wake up Monday. I fucking stretch. I go to the gym. I'm pumped. I'm like, man, I'm about to get fucking paid. Paid. And then I get an email. We're pushing you live. And I'm like, whoa, hold on one second. I didn't hit 75,000, which you got to hit to go live. And I didn't get 3 payouts in one account, which you need to go live. And I just hit them for payouts the week before or the week before that. Like I think I took like $6,000, 8,000 worth of payouts. And these were going to be payout number 2s for the account, right? No, it's Fidias. And right before they're about to fucking pay me out $6,000 to $8,000, they say, congratulations, we're putting you live. And I'm like, yo, but what about my profits? They're like, oh, those are sim profits. They don't count. And I'm like, but you're pushing me live early and now you're not paying me? That is correct. And now I'm like, what is that? Now I just lost out on $10,500 worth of payouts, like of profits. And they're like, well, we're pushing you live. And then I'm like, they're like, oh, I'm putting, I think, $4,200 in your account. I'm like, cool. Can I take that money out? They're like, no. So I'm like, basically, the $6,000 to $8,000 you were going to pay me, instead of sending me that money, you sent half of that into a broker account where if I make more money, you get 20% of it. And if I don't make any money, then you don't have to pay me anything. Bro, it was the biggest fucking scam ever. I will not trade with Fidias ever again. Fuck those guys. Never, ever, ever. The rules are great there too. Yeah. Rules are good. They bait you in and then they do some whack shit like that. I'm out. I'm out on them. Fuck them.
You're gonna lose all their customers.
I mean, listen, I'm only telling you the truth. You guys can go do whatever you want. But that's what happened to me. So I lost all those payouts, all those profits. And literally that's what they told me is, oh, but you're going live. I'm like, I could trade live in my own account. Bro, the Topstep thing is wild. So Topstep, say you have $10,000 in your account, they basically are giving you 20% of that, and then like you need to make more money to unlock the other money. Yo, I wouldn't have traded with Topstep before that. Now that they changed the rules, you got to be fucking crazy. Dude, Topstep just fucking... Yeah, they didn't even give me a payout, Josh. They just moved me live and said that the money I made is gone. The money I made is gone because it was sim profits. And that was it. Yep. Like, you know... Yes, it's great. I know I could make the money. But at the end of the day, I wanted the money. I did YOLO that live account. I believe it's done. I don't even, let me see if I can even log into it. Hold on. Let's see if I can log in. And then I asked them to trade gold in it, and it took them like 5 days. No. I can't even log into it. It's done. They like stopped even messaging me back in... It's crazy. Dude, gold's gonna come down and grab these fucking orders. I have orders on gold down here. I love gold. Like, so before Apex turned off gold, like I'm up 380. Like I would have been up 380 in like I'd have been up in a bunch of these accounts.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I just went for a quick scalp. Rather lose personal dude. I wouldn't trade my personal capital on Topstep X. Reach 10K to get 2K payout, and then we will take 10% from that 2K payout on top. Hey, man, that's what it's like trading with fucking Topstep. I would be off of that shit. Honestly, the best account you could trade that's the closest to your real money is Take Profit Trader. You get 5 live accounts. That's where it's at for me, is the five accounts is fucking nice. What changed? Monet, I haven't had so my funded accounts did not have a red 2026 in gold. I blew two evals last night on a unfortunate trade. I don't even know what happened. I'll show you exactly where I blew it though. I'll show you exactly where I blew these fucking accounts. I don't even know what happened. The Tradeify feed just died because this candle ends right here at 57.7, and the next candle opened up over $10 lower because this is the close of this candle and this is the open. There was like a Tradeify. I don't even know what happened, but this is where I actually blew my account down. It literally wicked out the evals right here at 17. I got wicked out, and then after that, it all came back up. It all came back up. Dude, I mean, if you're blowing the funded accounts on day one, I mean, you're definitely just oversizing, trying to get a massive payout. Basically, Fadias told me to go fuck myself. Dude, what's that fucking movie? Yo, tell him to go have sexual relations with his mother. What movie is that? He's like Russian.
Is story time over?
Yeah.
I walked away. I went to go make coffee. I was like, here comes the rant, and I'm going to go make coffee now.
I'm not on silver. I'll be honest with you. Whatever I'm doing just works. It's working really well. Almost too well. I'm suspicious. And I guess so is all the other prop firms.
I meant to say, so are all the prop firms. They're kind of suspicious too.
The only times I've lost accounts are on like, I lost this account on that shit. And I lost 2 fundeds on the stream where I definitely was not following my fucking rules. That was like mid-January. But other than that, I've only lost evals doing this. Usually I'm stacking massive fucking contracts on an eval where I'm way over leveraged, but I know I'm over leveraged. I'm trying to pass him. Scooby, once you get the account over, dude, I've gone fucking weeks of daily payouts every day. I mean, Take Profit Trader, I mean, you just got any funded account. When you get there, you just gotta like chill.
I mean, it's the patience. You just gotta be patient.
Yeah, and any of them, like you work so hard to get there. Murray, you have your orders sitting at 294.
I was just on a demo account.
Oh my god.
I was gonna use a funded, but I don't know. I'm still not 100%.
You say 294?
Yes.
Yeah, the wallet. The wallet's cool. Also, they have reward points. Also, Scotsman. I don't know if you even know that. You might have a bunch of free accounts you don't even know about. But they have the reward system, which is a great idea.
Why do you have orders at 294?
The range from,
In the bottom and the top.
You're talking about NQ?
Yeah.
yes, the whole range.
I'm looking at the whole range. I don't see a 294 range.
For the 786,
Yeah.
Oh, for the 786. I'm used to you taking it off the 681.
I've decided for the longer trades, I'm going to take it off the 786.
Okay.
So just scalping off the 618, but the longer holds off the 786.
I didn't even realize they had a reward system for a while, and then all of a sudden I had a bunch of free. I grabbed a bunch of free test accounts and whatnot.
Bunch of degenerate accounts.
Yeah, 25K accounts. Dude, we were talking about. I remember when TPT was the daily loss limit. You blew the account. Remember that shit?
Oh, dude, that was fucking awful.
Yeah, it wasn't good.
And then they made it a soft breach, and then they finally got rid of it.
Yeah. The soft breach.
Because I used to get their 150Ks just because of that.
Oh yeah. Come on, man. Come fucking down. This market's so slow today.
Yeah, it's fucking dog shit right now.
Where's all the speed?
It's up my nose.
Dude, I want it to come down. Yo, how do you deal with intraday? I full port my way through it.
That's one way to deal with it.
Oh. NQ is going to come down. It's going to hit my fucking orders. So I asked my wife if she's going to be home, what time she's going to be home. She said 4:30. I'm like, the kids have a doctor's appointment at 4:30. But I'm not going to tell her that I was going to take them yet. I want to see if she offers to take them so that I don't have to take them. I don't want to go to the kids' doctors.
Come on, NQ. Are we going to do something?
I have a crazy amount of Apex accounts. Well, look. They're all PAs. And look how many are over the buffer. 8 of them are over the buffer. I mean, they're right there.
Man, that is a grind down.
It's
Seriously.
a super slow grind.
I'm so tempted to take this with a funded account, but I don't know.
What
The NQ.
What's the funded account in My Funded Futures?
Apex.
Oh. Honestly, I wouldn't trade this if I could trade gold. I'd say fuck this bounce. I don't give a shit what it does. Yeah, I was gonna get tomorrow. I'm gonna try passing two or three more underground. Give me a solid 20, and then if I pass them tomorrow, I'm gonna play those big dog style, like probably 20 micros at a time for these bounces, and I'm just gonna see if I can get them over in the matter of 4 days, 5 days. Yo, Lucid CEO just said due to the Topstep rule changes, they're seeing an insane amount of people migrating over to them. It's crashing their website.
Wow. Not surprising. Not surprising at all.
Dude, those Topstep fucking...
Yeah, they fucked up.
Yeah.
I was reading some of the comments on Twitter sometime over the weekend. People are pissed.
Yeah, I would be. Dude, I got to do another one of those Mark Safe from Topstep's new rules.
Oh, that's why they're crashed? Dang.
I need one of those. Yo, I'm going to make one right now.
Dude, forever marked safe.
What a good promo for them. Everybody will move over and like them and stay.
Oh, once they get a taste, yeah. Here you go.
Yeah, I'm just gonna take it with the eval. I'm up so much today.
Don't want to ruin it.
Yeah. I got another long on gold.
You just did?
Yeah, just a small one.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that shit's so funny.
What were they doing where they're only giving you like 20%? What's
Yeah, 20% when you go freaking
when you go live?
when you go funded with them or live. No, not funded. Yeah, it'd be when you go live. Yo, funded Lucid CO just seems like a too much jabbing. Yo, their Lucid's website's fucking slow. Slow. I just don't want to get caught in another one of these freaking gold shenanigans. You know, I get in at like 30 or 31, but we break this bear flag, this thing's gonna fucking dump. Are you pounding the table helpful? One of us. One of us. Oh, I'll tell you what, I think Topstep just kind of I think just the ego and shit just kind of got to him. Just
He had
constant.
no reason to have a freaking ego.
I just think that, you know, at one point they were the biggest at one point, and I just think that oh, when they push you live now, you get like 20% of your money, and then you got to earn more money to get the money. It's fucking ridiculous.
It sounds like they're bleeding out money.
I was gonna post that. I didn't want to, but most of the time, companies that give the consumer less and charge more are bleeding money out, and they're trying to make it back.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yo, I used to be on that TV show as a guest, and then they couldn't. Paytech must have heard about it and wanted to have fun, so he came on.
He didn't have very much fun.
And he didn't have very much fun with me and my fucking friend. And I think it was too much for him. And then he fucking
I think I watched that.
yeah.
He said, "I'm not having too much fun, guys."
Yeah, he was not having too much fun. Yeah. He didn't find it amusing.
Even though it was very amusing.
Everybody else enjoyed it. And you know what? The people at Topstep, besides him, were urging this on. Because at one point we were being called I think the Bash Brothers. Yeah, it was like a no fucks given hour on Topstep. And a lot of people loved it. And then
he was not one of them.
He wanted to be part of it, and then when he was on, he did not want to be part of it anymore. Yeah. Yep, Scooby. So we're best friends in real life. So that's yeah. Yeah, it was crazy. I still think the ultimate line was when they didn't post the guy's name on the top payouts. And I told that guy, I'm like, why is his name up there? Does he owe his baby mama money?
so funny.
Yeah, that was like the best. I can still see the guy's fucking face be like, I don't know what to say. It's got to be on there. I don't know. I mean, it's last April or May. It's about a year old, I want to say. About tore it up. Yo, NQ is just doing nothing. I told my funded futures that they should do a segment like that again. And
they told you to F off.
They were like, okay. And just basically told me to fuck off. I said, dude, you guys are just missing out. You're, you know.
Their loss.
Yeah. Yeah. I was like, you know, if you want real fucking, like, you want to bring it up a notch where people are talking about this shit, I was like, this is what you guys should do. And, yeah, they don't want to.
They didn't want none of that either.
Yo, I looked into, me and my friend were looking at people on, another TV. I'm not going to mention the whatever TV, another fucking prop firms thing. And like, there's so many people there just not getting fucking paid. And you're like, I feel like they just take these people out so people follow other people not getting paid on a mass level to sell them more accounts. It's crazy.
Wow.
But I get why they put those people on the stream. I was talking about it we were going through it last night. Dude, I'm not going to get into it, but do your own research. Do your own research. But
There's
yeah,
only a few out there.
I had like a half-hour conversation about it last night. I honestly think that's the business model at this other place.
It's like, yo, you're not getting paid. You're not getting paid.
Well, it's like, oh, you look good and not getting paid. I was like, oh, crazy. Dude, I want to take this long off gold at 33. I'm so afraid it's just going to continue fucking down to 15.
I just took that little short on NQ. Little VWAP bounce.
I'm literally waiting for, I mean, my orders have been in here for fucking ages here.
It's about to be lunchtime.
Dude, what you got for lunch?
Make some ground beef. Get back on the carnivore. Little ground beef with some bacon in it.
Some bacon? I gotta feed all these kids at my house. I don't know what the fuck we're all eating.
You're gonna be walking to go feed them. You're like, man, fuck them kids, bro. You've seen that song, right?
I've seen the Michael Jordan meme where he says, fuck them kids.
Nah, it's a fucking like song. It's like, man, all these kids fucking make me feel bad. I said, man, fuck them kids.
Steve, what are you eating today? I haven't eaten anything today. Dude, I need
Dude, Steven Davis always has some good food. He always posts that freaking
like fucking catfish and shit. Yeah.
Cajun food.
Yeah. Dude, gold is in one big. This is like this setup reminds me of this, and then they dumped it out, and I feel like they're gonna dump this out all the way down to maybe 5,000. It's the same fucking setup.
Yeah, I hate this slow ass price action
Dude,
on NQ.
Some pizza? Dude, it's so slow. And we're in a range all day, which is even worse.
I don't know, the fact that we're still in the orb is wild.
Yeah. I mean, there really hasn't been many, like for me, I definitely missed out on this long down here.
Yeah, I definitely missed that.
I got stopped out this morning at
Well,
the fucking bottom.
I didn't miss it. I took fucking profits early. Way too early.
What up, Longhorn? Wait for London close. What is that? 11:30. Gold, just fucking dump it, man. But I gotta make $600 a day to pass this. The fuck? Come on, gold. I'm gonna get filled on both these at the same fucking time. It's like even if you played short, you'd be holding this freaking. The back and forth would just kill me. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Like I'd be like, come on already. I feel like the volatility is getting sucked out of this market in general. Man. I think NQ rolls over at some point. A lot of the stocks that had a bounce recently, and they're kind of dying off. Boom, 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 boom. I just realized how much trading has changed me. Yo. Dude, Deal or No Deal was awesome. What about the other one where people all dress up like fucking outfits and then they get called? What game show is that? Game show, they dress up in costumes. Was that a Daily Deal? Oh, Let's Make a Deal. Yeah, Let's Make a Deal. They all dress up in costumes. Shit was wild. I used to watch that when I was younger. Come on. Bro, American Gladiators was great. Yo, but they would sometimes take the risk and then it would be like a goat. Remember that shit? You'd get like a fucking farm animal. Oh, they'd go for it and it'd be a fucking farm animal. I think Marie muted herself or left.
Yeah, I had myself muted.
Yeah, I can't tell. I'm not on your thingy. He got offered 13.5, but could have had 5. Well, here comes NQ. We might get filled here.
We'll see. It's got to get through 300.
I want it to kind of like stop right around there.
That might have been the bottom of the move, to be honest.
Fucking, I hope not. Everything's just dead. Look at this shit. I'm going to play around with that indicator during lunch.
I wouldn't mind it coming way down.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. You can do it, little buddy.
You know you want to. Gotta hype it up like a kid.
Come on. Shit's whack. Gold doesn't look like it's going to come down either. It is in this fucking flag, though, but it looks like it's going to pop out and fucking run. At least you're not doing stupid ass trades, you know what I'm saying? This ain't going anywhere. I got to restart my computer, and I'm going to go look at that guy's indicators and shit.
All right, peace
So,
out.
I'm jumping off. I'll be back at 2 o'clock. Enjoy leaving Topstep for Lucid, everybody. Peace!